How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So on today's video, we're just going to be talking about my thoughts and opinion on the launch, both the regular original version and the 2.0 for Hondas and Acuras. Now, these are specific for Hondas and Acuras, although they do also have them for other manufacturers as well. And obviously, the main difference here is the layout. One is like this, and the other one is a landscape or horizontal. Other than that, they are almost identical. The only added feature that I think is super nice on the 2.0 here is we do have a power button right up over here. And what this does is allows you the capability of updating and stuff without having it connected to a power source of some sort, whether it be the DLC connector on this one or the USB connector over here. So, other than that, they are almost near identical, again, besides the layout. Now, this one goes for originally $169. Oftentimes, you can find it for $119. Great price. This one over here, originally $189. Oftentimes, you can find it for $151 here. So, if you own a Honda vehicle or Acura and you do work on it yourself, either one of them is a must-have. Personally, I prefer this one here, although either one works great. They offer the same exact features, and they constantly have updates, which is nice here. And you don't need to go ahead and look for them. It will tell you when it's due. Now, you do need internet or Wi-Fi service to update those, but it updates pretty often, which is great because there's always added features. Now, I always use this at work, whether you're a technician or a DIYer, and you own one Honda or multiple Hondas. Trust me, this is well worth the investment. And this is my go-to tool. Anything out of warranty. You could do anything from a seat weight sensor calibration to throttle body relearns to steering angle sensor relearns. You could do AF tests. You can run EVAP tests. You can check, data list, misfires. The seat weight sensor data list, make sure it's good. The steering angle sensor, make sure that is good. You can program keys, the regular keys, the old school ones, as well as the newer key fobs. Not all vehicles, but it does a ton of them. And again, I go to this tool before I go to the HDS or the Honda Diagnostic System tool because A, it's a lot smaller, and B, it's a lot quicker, a lot less steps to do most things. So, also, another great feature that I use it for all the time is the rear brake calibration or put into maintenance mode so you can do the rear brake pads on them. Great for that. Again, I use it all the time. And most of the techs in our shop, we have about 20 techs, about 15 of them actually picked up one of them. Most of them have this one because this one did come out later on. But most of them have this one. As soon as they saw the features it had and how quick it was to do everything and affordability aspect of it, it is a must-have for Honda's Acura's technician. This honestly is super valuable to me. And again, I couldn't prefer anything else. Most cases, anything out of warranty, this is what I do. So I keep this one at home now. I keep this one at work, and I use them constantly all the time, probably 3, 4, 5 times a day. So if you're looking for something very affordable, packed with features, look no further than the launch X431, either the original or the 2.0 for Hondas and Acuras. So with that being said, I'll catch everyone on the next one.